Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple high impact news and medium impact news today. The major high impact news is at 7 p.m. Please be cautious around 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time, since this could be a high spread area. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of EURUSD, and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction. So after moving into the downward direction, the price didn't close below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a push into the upside direction. So there is nothing more to see into the monthlies. Let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart, and we can see that the price reacted from this unmitigated candle, which was responsible for the bearish move into the market. So the price moved into the downward direction, and currently we are sweeping the swing of the weeklies, and the price is moving into the upside direction. So our weekly is bullish right now. So let's move to the dailies. Let's see how it is. So this is the daily chart, and the price action is quite messy right here. So I'll prefer to move into the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can see that the price reacted from this strong high, moved into the downward direction, and currently we are having accumulated equal lows right at this zone, and we are having unmitigated POI right below it. So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and then move into the upside direction if it has to go up. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So this is a 1-hour chart, and we can see that the order flow is being respected by the market, and the price is moving into the upside direction, mitigating something, and then I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction. Let's delete it. Yeah. So now let's move to 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes is having equal highs right at this zone. We are having an unmitigated POI just above it, and the price is moving into this area, making equal highs. So most likely, if we are not going to respect this Asia high, we are going to take this Asia high, mitigate this, and then move into the downward direction. Else, if this level is invalidated by the market, most likely we are going to go into the upside direction and take the equal high of the weeklies. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So this is the 15-minute chart, and we can see that the price is reacting from this zone right here, but we are having equal highs right above this zone. So we are having two POI, that is this zone and the zone which is right above the liquidity. So this is a weak zone for me, since we are already having equal high, and this is the major invalidation zone for me if we are going to move into the downward direction. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.